Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. So let's get started. So if you have connected your Instagram account to too many devices and now if you want to remove it, just simply open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. From here, just tap on account center, and after tapping on account center, scroll down and then tap on password and security. Inside your password and security, you will find where you are logged in. Just tap on that option and then select your Instagram. And after selecting your Instagram, now it will show you how many devices your Instagram account is logged in. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then tap on select device to log out, and then select a specific device. And after selecting it, just simply tap on logout, and after tapping on logout, the device will be removed. So just simply tap on logout and then log out, and here you can see guys, the device has been removed successfully. So in this way you can also remove devices that are connected to your account. So that's it guys, this is how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.